Hi everyone, welcome to Peacock Way, welcome to my channel. Today in this card making, I'm using 5x7 card and the pattern paper I'm using is about 3.5 inch by 5 inch. So I'm going to use my double-sided tape and then I'm going to stick it on the base card. While I'm sticking this on the base card, I request you guys to please subscribe my channel. That'll help a lot. This is a very simple card. You can say this is like a masculine card. Now I'm using this gray color cardstock, and that is about 3 3/4 inch by 5 1/4. I'm going to adhere this also on the pattern paper. And now I'm using black cardstock, which is like a 1/4 inch smaller. Now I'm going to put this die. These are like a leaf dies. You can use any leaf die you have. I had this in my stash, so I'm going to use this. Now for the sentiment I'm using, let's celebrate. This card you can give like your father, son, or uncle. So it's like a masculine card. I'm using a double-sided foam tape here. So that finishes my first card. For the second card I am using this yellow cardstock which already has a adhesive sheet. So I am taking that out and I'm adhering it on the base card. And this pattern paper I'm going to also adhere it, and that is 3 3/4 by 5 1/4 inch. I'm using this a strip of silver cardstock which I already had it in my stash, so I thought it will be nice to have something on this card. Now for the focal point I'm using this die. I will list everything in my description box below. So I'm going to color it using my watercolor markers. So I will put the music on so you can watch me color, and then I'll be back. Now I finished coloring, so now I'm going to adhere it on my card. I'm using the regular glue. Now for the sentiment, I'm going to stamp thinking of you. I'm using archival ink for the sentiment stamp. Now I have to trim it because it's too big on the top, so I'm trimming it using my cutter. I'm using again double-sided foam tape. This finishes my both cards. So if you like it, please subscribe, click on the thumbs up icon and leave the comments below. So I will see you in my next video with a new project. Thanks. Bye.